Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please be upon us all. Dear Ma'am Ati Sumiati as a Professor 1 and dear Mr. Maulana Amirul Adha as a Professor 2. Professionally, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rizky Amelia Rinjini from the Office Administration Education Study Program. I would like to present my thesis proposal entitled The Influence of Learning, Motivation, and Self-Potential on Students' Interest in Continuing Their Education to Higher Education at Vocational Schools in East Jakarta. Okay, the first is background. Education is considered a step to increase intelligence and determine the development of a nation. As stated by July 2019, that education has a crucial role in advancing the quality of human research in order to ensure progress in the development of a nation and religion. Vocational high school or SMK education plays an important role in preparing the young generation to enter the world of work with strong practical skills. According to Kumaat 2007, states the vocational school is education that prepares students to become professionals according to their field of study because they are prepared to enter the world of work. In fact, there are still many vocational school students who have not found work after graduating. According to CNN Indonesia, the Central Statistic Agency, or BPS, recorded that there were 799 million unemployed in Indonesia. This number reached 5.33% of the working age population as of the end of February 2023. Students' interest in continuing their education to higher education should not be impossible for vocational high school students in the current area. The opportunity for vocational school graduates to be able to register to study at PTN or state university is a good first step for students to prepare themselves to continue their education at university. As explained by Markham in Marty, the aim of providing higher education is to prepare students to become members of society who have academic or professional skills, are able to apply, develop, and create knowledge, technology, and art. Apart from that, interest in continuing education to higher education will make a major contribution in creating quality human research. In the tabel data siswa SMK 51 Jakarta to interest in higher education, school year 2021, number of graduates 281, and number of students continuing education to PT 107, and the percentage is 30.87%. And the 2022 number of students 318, and the number of students continuing education to PT is 105, and the percentage is 32%. Fatimah in 2018 state the interest in continuing their education to higher education is a big drive or aspiration that students have developed their knowledge and skills after completing their education at high school or vocational school. By continuing their education to a higher level, students have a greater opportunity to improve their skill and knowledge, thereby opening wider opportunity to enter the desired field of work and achieve higher career goals. The next is formulation of the problem. The first is there an influence of learning motivation on interest in continuing education to college? And the second is there an influence of self-potential on interest in continuing education to college. And the third is their an influence of learning motivation and self-potential on interest in continuing education to higher education. Okay. The next is research purpose. The first, the influence of learning motivation on interest in continuing education to higher education at vocational schools in East Jakarta. And the second, the influence of self-potential on interest in continuing education to higher education at vocational schools in East Jakarta. And the third, the influence of learning motivation and self-potential on interest in continuing education to higher education at vocational schools in East Jakarta. Benefits of research. The first is theoretical benefits. It is hoped that the result of this research can increase or expand knowledge, especially regarding learning motivation, self-potential, and interest in continuing education to higher. And the practical benefit, the first is benefit for researchers. It is hoped that this research can make a positive contribution in expanding understanding of the factors that influence learning motivation, self-potential, and students' interest in continuing their education to college. And the next, benefits for school. Proceeding in depth look at the importance of continuing education to higher education, this research aims to provide motivation to students, encourage them to increase their motivation to learn, and stimulate a strong desire to pursue higher education after completing school. And benefits for university is we hope that the contribution of this research will not only provide benefits as input and knowledge for future research, but can also be valuable reference source for Jakarta State University students in general. Supporting theory. Theory of Planned Behavior or TPB. Theory of Planned Behavior according to Ajzen in Lestari et al. 2021. Interest in considered a factor that influence behavior to show how strong a person desire to try and how much effort they plan to demonstrate this behavior. Theory of interest in continuing education at higher education, an invariable why, according to Agustina and Aviana 2018 and Slameto 2010, interest is a constant tendency to pay attention to and remember activities that a person is interested in. Paying attention to continuously accompanied by a feeling of pleasure. In the factor by Wahyumi et al. 2023 have internal factors and external factors. And the indicator Slameto 2010, there are 7 interest indicators, including 1, there is a feeling of joy, 2, there is a desire, 3, there is attention, and 4, there is interest, and 5, there is a need, and 6, there is a hope, and 7, there is encouragement and ability. The next is supporting theory, learning motivation theory. According to Purwanto, Indaula and Yahya 2022 and Saputri et al. 2019, learning motivation is a psychological condition that encourages a person to move towards positive goals as well as changing behavior and self-view in order to achieve life's desires. The factors Slameto Inavi 2018 have internal factors and external factors. Indicator Saputra et al. 2021, NASA 2020, and Janas and Sontani 2018, there are 6 indicators of learning motivation, namely, the one is the desire and desire to succeed, and 2, there is encouragement and need to learn, and 3, there are hopes and aspiration for the future, and 4, there is a reward for learning, and 5, there are interesting activities in learning, and 6, learning environment. The next is supporting theory, self-potential theory. According to Fatima 2018, Wahyuni et al. 2023, and Yuliani 2025, self-potential refers to the capability within a person that has not been fully utilized to achieve the desired goals. The factor Amalia and Rahmat 2021 have internal factors or hereditary and external factors and environment. Indicator Yuliani 2021, Angelina et al. 2023, and Suryani and Armiati 2022, there are 5 indicators of personal potential or self-potential. The one like to learn and is willing to see his own shortcomings, and 2 have a flexible attitude, and 3 make change to improve, and 4 don't want to blame people or circumstance, and the last have a sincere attitude. The next is previous research. The title in the influence of motivation, self-potential, and socio-economic condition on the interest in continuing to higher education, with researcher Widodo et al. 2023, with variable x1, x2, and y. The result is there is a positive influence of motivation in interest in continuing higher education, and it can be concluded that there is a positive influence between personal potential and interest in continuing higher education. And the title is the influence of self-potential and motivation on interest in studying at UPBJJ UT Mataram. Researcher Sudarwo 2021 with variable x1, x2, and y. The result is self-potential has no influence on interest in studying. Meanwhile, motivation has no influence on interest studying. And the third title is the influence of learning motivation, parent socioeconomic status, and peer environment on interest in continuing education to higher education. Researcher is Sandianingrum et al. 2023 with variable x1 and y. And the result of this research is that the learning motivation has a positive and significant influence on interest in continuing education to higher education among class 12 students at SMKN 14 Jakarta. And therefore, the title, The Influence of Motivational Learning, Achievement, Parental Socioeconomic Status, and School Environment of Interest in Continuing Education to University and Vocational High School Student in Indonesia. Researcher Rahayu and Usman, 2019, with variable x1 and y. The result is learning motivation has no influence on interest in continuing education to higher education at vocational high school in Indonesia. The next is theoretical framework. Learning motivation on interest in continuing education at higher education. In his research, Ramadan et al. 2018, Karisma and Latifa 2015, and Admin and Effendi 2021 state that there is a positive influence of motivation on interest in continuing education to higher education. And self-potential for interest continuing education at higher education. In his research, Widodo et al. 2023, Angelina et al. 2023, and Suryani and Armiati 2022 also state the self-potential has a significant influence on interest in continuing education to college. Learning motivation and self-potential for interest in continuing education at higher education. Based on the research result described by Widodo et al. 2023, it can be concluded that there is a positive influence between motivation and personal potential or self-potential on interest in continuing to college. The next is hypothesis development. Hypothesis 1 is learning motivation influence students in interest in continuing their education to college. Hypothesis 2, self-potential influence students in interest in continuing their education to college, and hypothesis 3, learning motivation and personal potential or self-potential influence students' interest in continuing their education to college. The next is research methodology. Research place in SMKN 51 Jakarta, SMKN 10 Jakarta, and SMKN 48 Jakarta. Research time, the research period from December 2023 to March 2024. Research design, this research was conducted using a survey method with a quantitative approach and using primary data. The data collection technique used in this research is in the form of questionnaire. And research population. The population in this study was 177 class, 12 MPLB students at 3 state vocational school in Jakarta. Total 177 in SMKN 51 Jakarta, total 71, SMKN 10 Jakarta, total 70 students, and SMKN 48 Jakarta, 36 students. Research sample. In this research, the technique used from sampling is the proportional random sampling technique, with a total sample is 123 students. The data analysis technique. In the first, I used instrument validity and reliability test, and the second descriptive statistical analysis, and the three analysis requirement test is normality test and linearity test, and the four classic assumption test is multicollinearity test and heteroscedasticity test, and the 5 multiple linear regression analysis, and the 6 hypothesis test is partial regression confidence test, or t-test, simultaneous regression coefficient test or f-test, and determination coefficient test or KD test. That's the presentation of my thesis proposal. Sorry if there are any word errors. Thank you for paying attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.